Hi, I'm Jade. Going to school at uni is pretty exciting. I give my mum and dad a big hug. Then I join my friends in class. We always start by thanking God for our day and each other. Jollyphonics is all about learning words, and learning words can be pretty fun. We do different activities every day. We practice our writing and even learn about different countries like Japan and Germany. I love the big kids school, and this is the gym. I'm going to be a big kid here too one day. We do shapes and colours and art, and Mum likes sticking them on the fridge. We learn about plants in the school garden. It's called agriculture. I like the things that you can eat. Lunchtime is my favourite part of the day. We do lots of sports and we learn about sharing and cooperating. Go! Sometimes you might need someone to talk to, and an older body can make you feel better. Our teacher calls us maths lesson, but we call it fun with numbers. We go to the library and you can find books about anything. I like cars. I'm going to take this one home to read in bed. What a great day. See you tomorrow.